Hello from Bangkok. We woke up super early because it's day 1 or 2 technically. I mean, we arrived yesterday evening. So today in the morning we woke up and we're gonna go to a Michelin restaurant. I mean, we're gonna vlog all our day today and share with you a lot of information and tips about Bangkok. So keep watching. So now we're heading to Jay Fai. It's a very recognized chef. Actually, she prepares everything. So the chef, Jay Fai, she prepares everything on her own. So there is a waiting list. Even though the restaurant opens at 9 o'clock, you have to be there earlier. Wow, while crossing so dangerously. I need to be careful. So now we are doing the line. Actually, they even have chairs, and there's not like a huge line because I saw like social media that you have to wait like 3-4 hours. But I think we're gonna get lucky today. Fingers crossed. So I would recommend to arrive earlier, even before it opens. It opens at 9. We came here like 7:45, and it seems to be fine. Like there's only 8 other people before us. We were number 6 and we're already seated. We are gonna order, already know, the crab omelette, then the drunken noodle, it's very recommended, and the tom yuk soup. These 3, of course, to share. And it's only cash only, so you must have cash. We're gonna try now. We just finished now. Absolutely loved it. And at first I was thinking like, oh, should I order crab omelette just for myself? But actually it's a lot. It's like fulfilling, so much taste and flavor. So I would say like if you're 2 people, you can get one and share. And also the other dishes that we ordered. Really unique experience. So now we will visit our first temple. We're on our way, we're walking, we decided to walk only 30 minutes and we're going to one of the most famous temples, Wat Arun. So to go to Wat Arun, we need to cross a bridge. We need to cross a river. But we're gonna find out. But public transportation we're gonna use. So we had to take a ferry, a boat. It's only 10 of the currency, which is like 25 cents to go to the other side of the river where we're going to the temple now. the first time that I've been to a temple, like ever, and it's a very peaceful feeling. It's really beautiful, like just being in the moment. And I see a lot of girls and guys are doing like photo shoots. They wear the traditional costumes. I believe that you can rent them here. I'm not gonna rent it. I'm just enjoying and being in the moment. It's really good because actually it's also not that crowded now in June time. I guess because it's supposed to be a rainy season, but it's not. It's just perfect. I really like it. Maybe later we also will see another temple. I'm liking this feeling. And by the way, if you're liking the vlog also, make sure to subscribe and comment. Let me know what do you think so far of this vlog and Bangkok in general. To enter inside the temple, you gotta remove the shoes and of course be covered, otherwise they won't let you enter. And I also talked with some girls here that had rented the dress, the costume. It's only $5, and they also do a little bit like makeup or the hair. Like, I think it's a good idea.
You have 3 hours and a half to...
Oh yeah, and also you have 3 hours and a half time to use it.
They give you jewelry.
Also they give you jewelry, accessories. It's very nice. Maybe I'll do it in another time. It's open daily from 8 a.m. until 6:30 in the afternoon. Ta-da! And of course you gotta get the boat, yeah? So we're gonna get the boat to return now. We got the Grab, just like 20 minutes, and our next destination is gonna be, for today, Mahanon Skywalk. We're gonna be on the 74th floor. It's gonna be really up. I mean, if you like heights, or if you don't like heights, this is the place to go. Alright, so it's from 10 o'clock until 4:30. The last access will be at 4 o'clock if you want to pay the 880. But you can also have like 4 to 6:30 to see like the sunset, and the last access is at 7. And the prices, the one that we chose with a digital experience is 990 baht. That's like 25 euros. You can also, look here, ta-da! You can also have it like with a popcorn and a drink, and it's on the 78th floor. Yeah? And we're gonna jump. No, she said no, I'm not recommended to jump, but somehow I want to jump. And you can, it's like a glass, yeah? We'll show you. It's pretty cool. The glass tray is really cool. I would highly recommend to come here. You can see the whole city, the whole Bangkok is gorgeous, absolutely lovely. So we're gonna spend some time here. This is one of my favorite vlogs so far. It's gonna be a beautiful memory. We tried the glass tray. Amazing feeling. It's like the adrenaline. It's really beautiful. Oh, some wind. Yeah, we need some sunscreen, which we bought, and we also have the digital experience here that we'll do. We chose to come to Chinatown to have our dinner. I mean, our first stop is in TNK Seafood. We're gonna eat seafood. It's like so fresh. It's amazing. And then we'll go around. I'm very happy in Thailand. I'm loving how we are eating here. Like, look, so much food.